A winter storm wonderland. I heard your voice on the phone, somewhere in some hotel around midnight, and it woke me up to some strange feeling. I don't know exactly what it is, but I know it's wrong. Something I shouldn't be doing. I know there's someone who loves you, someone who needs you too. Yeah, 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 yeah. Looking for love and I can't find it anywhere. I'm sitting here every day with nothing but my thoughts. Yeah, 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 yeah. At least this situation is kind of familiar. In the end, all we do is hurt each other. So it seems like no one will ever understand me. So when you're driving down the highway, the radio's blasting, it's just making things harder. I think about how much we used to hate each other. When I was younger, there wasn't right or wrong, just fight after